Let's continue Python for AWS data engineering. In this, we are discussing control statements. In that, let's continue iterative statements. Let's say inside Python program, some statements I want to execute repeatedly. Until condition become false. So, to repeat statements multiple times, we use iterative statements. So, we have two iterative statements. One is for and other one is while. Okay, let's start discussing for iterative statement with examples. Yeah, coming to for is specially designed for iterating Python collection of values. Let's say string is a collection of characters, tuple is a collection of values, list is a collection of values, set is a collection of values, Trojan set is a collection of values, dictionary is a collection of values. To iterate these collection of data, we use especially for loop. Let me take one example and so that we'll get understand. I am taking one list, then I am printing list or I am iterating list using for loop. See here, what happens is, so this for loop takes first value and stores into V. We are printing. Once this value is completed, again it will iterate a next value automatically. You no need to write initialization, condition, increment or decrement logic like other languages. Like other language, we use for I equal to 0. This is initialization logic. Then I less than len of list. Yeah, like I plus plus. So like this, you no need to write multiple statements. For loop iterates each element inside this list automatically, value by value. Once list iteration is completed, it comes out of for loop.